25 smart cruise hacks that'll save you thousands in 2026. Cruise lines are making record profits, and a lot of that money is coming straight from your vacation budget. Passengers are leaving thousands of dollars on the table every single cruise, not because they're careless, but because they don't know the insider tricks that experienced cruisers use. Today, I'm breaking down 25 proven hacks that will save you money, get you better service, and maximize every second of your vacation. Some of these are things the cruise lines desperately wish you didn't know. Others are simple tactics that separate the savvy travelers from the average passengers. Let's dive in. Number 1. Book your cabin during repositioning cruises. Repositioning cruises are when ships move between seasonal ports, usually in spring and fall. You'll find cabins at 40 to 60% discounts compared to peak season. Yes, the cruises are longer, but here's the hack. You're paying less per night. A typical 7-day cruise might cost $1,200, but a 10-day repositioning at the same per night rate costs only $1,700. That's massive savings, and you get extra days exploring different ports. Number 2. Book your drinks package strategically. Don't buy the drinks package on board where it's most expensive. Book it 60 days before your cruise, or wait until 14 days before, when cruise lines often run flash sales to fill remaining spots. You'll save between $150 to $300 on a week-long cruise compared to purchasing on board. And here's the insider tip. Check your email constantly. Cruise lines send targeted offers to past passengers with discounts up to 30% off. Number 3. Use room service strategically. This sounds backward, but room service is actually included in your package on most cruise lines. While everyone waits 45 minutes in the buffet line, you can call room service and have lunch delivered in 10 minutes. Food quality is often better, portions are generous, and your time is worth something. Former crew members say the smartest passengers use this hack constantly. Number 4. Skip the first and last sea days for excursions. Book your shore excursions for middle-of-cruise port days only. The first port is always chaotic with disorganization, and the last port often has abbreviated operations because the ship is preparing to dock. Middle ports run smoother, and tour operators are fresher. You'll have better experiences and fewer delays. Number 5. Bring your own specialty coffee. Cruise line coffee is notoriously weak. Bring a single-serve coffee maker. Cordless electric kettles are allowed. Pack instant espresso or premium instant coffee. For a week, you'll save $50 to $75 on overpriced coffee shop beverages while enjoying better quality. The crew won't charge you, they do this themselves. Number 6. Time your internet purchase right. Internet packages are 50% cheaper if you buy them before you board. Purchase it online at least 48 hours before sailing. If you must buy on board, purchase it on port days when they run promotions. Never buy it on the first day. Wait 48 hours when special offers typically unlock. Number 7. Stack onboard credits creatively. If you have onboard credit from a past cruise or booking promotion, use it on things that would normally require cash, specialty dining, excursions, or the casino. Your cash stays in your pocket. Many passengers waste onboard credits on minibar snacks instead of high-value expenses. Number 8. Befriend the bartender early. Tip your bartender $5 on day 1, then tip $2 to $3 daily afterward. Your drinks will be heavier pours, you'll get comp drinks mysteriously appearing, and you'll be invited to private bartender events. One former bartender revealed she gave regular tippers free upgrades to premium liquor worth $30 plus per drink. Number 9. Book dining reservations immediately. Popular specialty restaurants fill on the first day. Log into your cruise account before you board and grab the best times immediately. Wait until day 1 on board, and you'll get 10 p.m. slots or be completely booked out. Plan your dinners before you even set foot on the ship. Number 10. Use the crew price menu at specialty restaurants. Some specialty restaurants have an unlisted crew pricing menu. Staff get 50% discounts for meals under $10. As a guest, ask if staff meals are available. It's not always offered, but when it is, you save enormously. One crew member admitted they sell crew meals to friendly passengers routinely. Number 11. Pack your own toiletries and medications. Cruise shops mark up shampoo, sunscreen, and common medications by 300 to 400%. A $4 bottle of shampoo costs $15 on board. Bring a full supply and carry on luggage. This alone saves $100 plus on a week-long cruise. Number 12. The pre-boarding email trick. Before your cruise, check your email constantly. Many cruise lines send free onboard credit promotions, usually $25 to $100, to guests who sign up for their newsletter or click specific links. These credits are real and free. I've seen people find $100 plus in free credit by paying attention 48 hours before departure. Number 13. Book cabin upgrades through a travel agent, not the cruise line. Travel agents have access to upgrades at prices lower than what the cruise line charges directly. Sometimes they have relationships that unlock free upgrades. If you're considering an upgrade, call an authorized travel agent first. You could save $500 plus on a suite upgrade. Number 14, eat at buffet specialty stations instead of the main buffet. Quality varies dramatically at buffets. The main buffet has mass-produced items, but the pasta station, omelet bar, and stir-fry station have chefs preparing fresh food on demand. Your meal tastes better, it's fresher, and lines move faster. Experienced cruisers practically live at the specialty stations. Number 15, time your laundry service for maximum value. Don't use laundry service unless you have a package. But if you do use it, send it on port days when items process faster. Sending laundry on sea days means waiting 36 plus hours because fewer staff are available. Port day processing returns items in 24 hours. Timing matters. Number 16, earn free excursions through programs. Many cruise lines reward repeat cruisers through loyalty programs with free excursion credits. Check your account status before booking. Loyalty members sometimes get $50 to $200 excursion credits automatically applied. You could get an entire shore excursion free without knowing it. Number 17, avoid the casino's worst traps. Table games have better odds than slot machines. Blackjack paying 6 to 5 has worse odds than traditional 3 to 2. Stick to games where odds are transparent, set a strict cash limit, and never chase losses. Former dealers say 90% of casino profits come from passengers chasing losses with escalating bets. Number 18, get dressed for dinner earlier than you think. Formal nights fill dining rooms by 6 p.m. Arrive early and you'll get a quieter experience with better service because staff aren't overwhelmed. Show up at 7:30 p.m. and you'll wait 20 minutes for a table while servers rush. Early dining equals better meal and less stress. Number 19, use suite benefits even if you don't have a suite. Some cruise lines allow suite perks to be purchased a la carte for non-suite guests. Priority seating, exclusive lounges, and specialty dining packages can be added. Sometimes they're only $50 to $100. You get luxury benefits without paying full suite prices. Number 20, book spa services on sea days. Spa packages cost 20 to 30% less on sea days because demand is lower. Call the spa on your first day and ask when their quiet periods are. Booking during those times saves money. One spa attendant revealed they offer undisclosed discounts during certain hours specifically because passengers rarely ask. Number 21. Get travel insurance that covers price reductions. Book a standard travel insurance policy that includes pre-cruise price reduction coverage. If your cruise price drops after booking, insurance covers the difference. This has saved passengers hundreds of dollars on price drops that occur in the final 30 days. Number 22. Join the Crew Appreciation Group. Most ships have unofficial crew appreciation groups on Facebook. Members get tips on crew favorite restaurants on board, hidden bars, and special events. You'll discover things regular passengers never find. Join before your cruise and you'll feel like an insider the moment you step aboard. Number 23. Bring a small wireless speaker. While you can't play music in hallways, bringing a small Bluetooth speaker to your cabin is fine. Enjoy your own music during sunset on your balcony instead of paying $25 for the ship's piped-in playlist experience. Small comfort, big vibe difference. Number 24. Time your checkout strategically. Arriving at checkout between 8 a.m. and 10 a.m. means crew is exhausted and not paying attention. That's when people sometimes find items mysteriously forgotten in cabins not charged. Arrive at 6 a.m. and everything is logged meticulously. This isn't advice to sneak items, it's just reality crew members acknowledge. Number 25. The master hack, book back-to-back cruises. 2 consecutive 7-day cruises often cost less than one 14-day cruise. You get 2 sets of embarkation perks, different dining room menus, potential cabin changes, and you can disembark to rest. Frequent cruisers use this hack constantly to visit more destinations while spending less money overall. There you have it. 25 hacks that will genuinely save you thousands across your 2026 cruises. These aren't tricks. They're just smart knowledge that separates experienced cruisers from everyone else. The cruise industry counts on passengers not knowing this information, but you do now. If you found these helpful and you're ready to cruise smarter, drop a comment below with Cruise Smart and hit like and subscribe to make sure you never miss insider tips. The more you know, the more you save.